At MicroCare, we're driven by a commitment to ethical responsibility, ensuring that you receive the very best in critical cleaning solutions while protecting both your people and our planet. Welcome to the Reliable Care Way, our signature approach to delivering top-tier products, exceptional customer service, and unparalleled technical support. Our approach is backed by nearly 50 years of innovation and expertise, along with a team of world-class chemists and field engineers. We're here to provide you with the most effective processes and chemistries, all while keeping your costs and investments front and center. Through on-site audits, customized product recommendations, and ongoing safety training, the Reliable Care Way ensures your operations are always optimized. Our regulatory experts work tirelessly to stay ahead of emerging regulations, ensuring all product labels, technical specs, and safety data sheets are always up to date and compliant with local and global standards. In our critical cleaning lab, our chemists tackle your toughest cleaning challenges, whether you're troubleshooting existing processes or starting from scratch. We perform in-depth contamination analyses and cleaning studies to recommend the best fluids and processes tailored specifically to your needs. But our commitment doesn't stop there. We also focus on sustainability, helping you reduce worker exposure and environmental impact through our innovative, planet-friendly solutions. With the Reliable Care Way, we ensure that your critical cleaning processes are successful, efficient, and sustainable. From expert consultation to seamless implementation and ongoing support, MicroCare is more than just a vendor. We're your partner in critical cleaning excellence. Are you ready to get started? Let's work together to make your operations cleaner, safer, and more cost-effective. Contact us today and discover perfectly clean at microcare.com.